Turning your engine 9J184. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. Compressor look as well. Socket looks good. Altimeter look nice, no damage. In a good conditions. And on this side, engines looks good. Starter look as well, as you can see. Gearbox looks good, no damage, no broken. And on this side, engines looks good. Engines turbo looks good, no damage. Turbo turn. And on the top, plastic cover looks good, no damage, no broken. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 9J184.